सर्वांना गणेश चतुर्थीच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा.
Hello everyone, I'm TJ, wishing you a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi. Hope you all are enjoying this festive season with your loved ones. As I'm celebrating this festival with you, I'm heading to Vanita Lunch Home where we are going to be enjoying on some authentic Maharashtrian delicacies. This episode we are going to be relishing on Lord Ganesha's favorite, Modak and Puran Poli. I would really want you guys to celebrate this entire video with me.
Blinking monkey.
आपण मराठी बोललात तर आम्हाला आनंद होईल. So this simply means that if we speak to them in Marathi, they should be happy about it. I'm entering the kitchen to see where the magic happens. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi, वनिता जी. तो अभी आप क्या क्या बना रहे हो ये?
अभी मोदक बना रही है.
मोदक?
हाँ.
Rice flour gets stirred in hot water and then it's kneaded to form a soft and moist dough. Then the dough goes in the modak mold. And then the filling of jaggery, coconut and cardamom is filled. And then it's sealed with a piece of dough and it's ready to get steamed. Almond tree leaf is greased up, modaks are placed, then it goes on the stove top. Water is sprinkled to maintain the softness and it goes for a 10-minute steam.
That's the mother. That's the father. That's their son. So yeah, as you all can see, it's the whole family working together and serving delicious food to be made from love. It's love being served on a plate. She has started the prep for Puran Poli. Let's see.
All-purpose flour is kneaded, then filled with the mixture of chana dal, cardamom and jaggery. It's rolled out, put on the pan, it gets flipped until it's all puffed up and ready to be served.
Look at this, it looks like a plump lotus bud. Check it out. I cannot wait to remove my mask now and bite right into this beautiful modak. Oh wow. What is succulent filling of coconut, jaggery. I think I can taste a little bit of nutmeg if I'm not wrong. You know, the sweetness is perfectly balanced. No doubt Lord Ganesha is called Modak Priya because this was his favorite and I'm with him on that. I was just trying to get the aroma and there's this rich aroma in this Puran Poli. You know, the stuffing, it's again, it's your chana dal, jaggery. Then there's some cardamom that goes in this. I just had my modak, then I'm having Puran Poli. And the sweetness, they have balanced it so perfectly over here. And yeah, Modak and Puran Poli being like it tops the chart of Ganesh Chaturthi when you talk about sweets. These two things definitely they top the chart. And this is my personal favorite too. Since I'm going to be gorging on, my Modak, Puran Poli and yeah, they've given some sheera as well. So I'm sure I'm going to be so full by the end of it. So I asked them to give me a very simple veg meal. So I have some, I need to check. Okay, there's some Masoor Amti, that's what it's called. Then there's there's this vegetable of green bell pepper, potato, a bunch of other spices, and there's a simple dal. It's called varan in Marathi. You know, it's simplicity at its best. I would say simplicity at its best. Even after insisting, they didn't let me pay. Like, you know, I feel so blessed today that the entire family of Vanita Lunch Home has given this beautiful experience on Ganesh Chaturthi to me. We don't always need to go to high-end restaurants in search of good food. There are hidden gems like Vanita Lunch Home, where I am at today. Home cooked food with delicious, authentic flavors, cooked and served with love. Like, you know, we cannot be missing out on such delicious food that's around us. Like, yeah, it takes time to find it, but it's worth it. I'll be leaving their information in the video description. And like, yeah, whenever you're passing by these places in Kamote in Navi Mumbai, whenever you all are passing by, probably going towards Pune or further down, you all can take a pit stop and enjoy the food. And guys, if you enjoyed today's video, do give us a thumbs up, do subscribe to our channel, keep your bell icon on to stay notified for what's coming more, and show some love, share our videos with your family and friends. Until we meet again, keep smiling, take care, and keep binging.
Binging Monkey.